Today I will show you how to test the microwave oven's diodes. There's two diodes. One of them it's okay. So what do we have to do? Here we have the power supply, regulated power supply. If I increase the voltage, look at this. The amperes don't move. So don't move. I will change the polarity. So now don't move. The other diode, this one, the same process. It is in this position with a plus on the stripe. Like the other one, the amperes don't move. So we change. Oh, I think I put it on the same way, the red on the stripe. So I will put the black on the stripe and the red. Look at this. This diode, it's okay. The other one, it's dead. Thank you, bye bye.